Hey there! Today we're diving into a problem involving a data frame with positive, negative, and zero values. Our dataset includes 4 columns in a date column, which we set as the index. The main challenge we're facing is to create 4 scatter plots with markers colored based on the value in each month year. In the solution provided, we use Python with pandas and matplotlib to tackle this issue. We started by creating a 2 by 2 subplot grid to accommodate our visualization needs. Then, we iterated through each column, focusing on consecutive data points to plot the segments effectively. The key highlight was color-coding the markers as red for negative, green for positive, and yellow for zero values. By setting titles, formatting dates, and adjusting layout, we achieved a clear and insightful plot to visualize our data. To wrap it up, we successfully addressed the problem by creatively visualizing the data frame with color-coded markers on a scatter plot. Remember, a little color goes a long way in bringing data to life. If you enjoyed this solution, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy plotting!